Let's learn how to divide in mode 7 and mode 6 respectively. Solution. So here we say let 3 divided by 5 equals a letter of the alphabet, let's say Y, in mode 7. Now here 3 divided by 5 is the same thing in our normal multiplication division. When we have 3 divided by 5 equals Y, this same thing as having 3 over 5 equals Y, and this Y is the same thing as having Y over 1, and from here we can cross multiply. That is, we'll have 3 equals Y multiplied by 5, 5Y. So here also, this is the same thing as having 3 equals 5Y in mode 7. Now here to find Y, we know we have to divide both sides by 5. But here, we know we can't find 5 in 3. So we add the mode to this side. So that is, we have 7 plus 3 equals 5Y. So here we have 10 equals 5Y. And now we can divide both sides by the coefficient of the unknown, which is 5. So we divide by 5 here, we divide by 5 here. 5 here 1, 5 here 1, 5 goes in 5 1, 5 goes in 10 2. So therefore 2 equals Y, which we can also rewrite as Y equals 2. That is 3 divided by 5 equals 2 in mode 7. And that's how to divide in mode 7. Now let's learn how to divide this in mode 6. Let 2 divided by 3 in mode 6 equals B. So here, this is the same thing as having 2 equals 3B in mode 6. To find the unknown here, we have to divide both sides by 3. But dividing 2 by 3 here still won't give us an answer because it is not a multiple of 3. So we add 6 to this side and check if it's going to give you a multiple of 3. When we add 6 to this side, we have 8. And 8 is still not divisible by 3. That is, 6 plus 2 equals 3B. 6 plus 2, that gives us 8 equals 3B. 8 here is still not a multiple of 3. That is, we can still divide both sides by 3 here. So that means no multiple of 6 added to the remainder that we have here 2 is divisible by 3. Hence, two divided by 3 has no solution in mode 6. And that's how to divide in mode 6 for special cases whereby there would be no solution. Thank you.